Prostrate silence. Have you heard this one before? A soundless vacuum. No one in the airtight hush dared disturb Helen's prostrate silence. This one is from the book Trust by Herman Diaz. By the way, this was also the book Dua Lipa and Callum Turner were reading the day they first met. Now they're married, so this book has range. This book is divided in 4 parts. आप ये imagine कर लो that the entire book is talking about one marriage, but these are 4 versions of the same marriage. एंड लास्ट में पत्नी तंग होकर एक अपना मेमोर निकाल देती है, अपनी डायरी निकाल देती है, सॉरी, और उसमें अपना पार्ट बताती है, और उसमें जो रेवलेशंस है, आई डोंट थिंक सो यू रेडी फॉर दोज रेवलेशंस. स्टोरी अपनी चल रही है, मैरिज अपनी चल रही है, रेवलेशंस बीच बीच में आ रही हैं, बट जो सबसे ज्यादा स्ट्राइकिंग पार्ट मुझे इस बुक का लगा वॉज द पॉजेस. आप पॉजेस को लैंग्वेज और टाइम में कैसे लिखते हो? फर्स्ट एग्जाम्पल होगा टाइम का. He was pleased to experience, after so many weeks of inactivity, the contraction of time that took place when he lost himself in work. If asked, he would have been unable to say exactly what his thoughts were during that hour, and yet there was an untranslatable clarity to his mental process. And when does this bunch of words come? Is this character Benjamin? He's sitting, he's lost in his mind, he's working, and he looks at another character, Dr. Aftus. He is coming towards him. He's looking at him. He knows that he's coming towards him. But there is this contraction of time where his presence doesn't exist, but his mind knows that he exists. And to seal this whole thought, the writer writes, it was only when he sat down next to Benjamin that Aftus acquired the solidity of the real. Explaining gap with the example of language. Helen seemed calmer in German. Although she spoke it with remarkable ease, she also had vast lacunae, as is usually the case with those who have somewhat haphazardly taught themselves a language. Despite her innate elegance, she could sound like a bad actress in too much makeup. This precisely is where I started to like this book. ये जो टाइम गैप वाले सेंटेंसेस है इसमें बहुत सारे हैं. It will reward you. This should be your next pick. I cannot recommend this enough.